Bueno, chavales, estamos subiendo el primer pico de las 100 cimas de las 100 cimas de Cataluña, ¿vale? Aunque ya hemos subido dos, pero bueno, como no lo hemos grabado, no lo hemos hecho. Que estamos en el Puig Sacalm, ¿vale? Justo en el limítrofe entre la provincia de Gerona y Barcelona. Y bueno, pues no sé cuánta altitud tiene, ni nada.
Motherfucker, I've been mortified, 45, feeling like a Mordecai. I ain't regular, feel like Jordan wearing 45. Traumatized, victimized, seen some of my niggas die. Knock you off a base with a bat when them niggas slide. Homicide, genocide, televised, emphasize, perpetuating war. Tell that nigga he gon' pick a side. Hood ties from hood lines, now niggas doing dope lines. I'm running to the cops, that's a bitch.
Pasa, chavales, mira, ya estamos aquí, al lado del Puig Sacalm. Espectacular, Mira qué vista. Agotamiento. Uf, dureza máxima, Las 100 cimas de Cataluña. Espectacular, Continuamos. Vale. 1515, Cifra redonda, 1515. Estamos ya casi ahí arriba, ¿vale? Ahora, en cuanto estemos en el vértice geodésico, lo bicheamos. Estamos ya en el Puig Sacalm. Grabado, por favor, graba. Mira qué vistas. Bueno, haz una panorámica. Mira, para allá. Qué pasada, Y nada, voy a pegar un vuelecillo. Vais a ver cómo se despega el dron desde la mano. Corten, por favor.
Don't run into the cops, that's the motto. I don't see it coming to an end like legato. Niggas get chipped like staccato, send a wave through the hood, now it sounding like Grabado. Why you eat bread with avocado? We be trying to dodge shells before it landing our tomato. Singing all my sorrows on Apollo, I've been trying to pave the way, but they didn't tell me it was potholes. America ain't dreaming, it been scheming when the birth of a nation came from black niggas seeming. We all know it's black nigga genius, everybody love the culture, they be black by convenience. Sounded like a real nigga anthem. Shawty saw my wallet, now she think a nigga answer. Whoa, telling me she wanted me to hammer. Tryna get saved, baby, I am not the answer. No, I can never trick on the bitch, unless the bitch is my bitch with a kiss on my lips like, I am not a pimp with a limp, I'm a man with a gift, and I'm doing my shit like, Tell them other niggas I'm the nigga, I'm the man in the city, and my bank account bigger, and my body count bigger, that's without a doubt, nigga. I'm 100 steps ahead, that's a lot of mouth, nigga, that's a lot of clout, nigga. What you all about, nigga? What your dollar amount, nigga? You a boy scout, nigga, I'm a big dog. Tell the truth, I don't get y'all, the shit sounding corny. Motherfucker, turn this shit off, bro. Motherfucker, I've been mortified, 45, feeling like a Mordecai. I ain't regular, feel like Jordan wearing 45. Traumatized, victimized, seen some of my niggas die. Knock you off a base with a bat when them niggas slide. Homicide, genocide, televised, emphasize, perpetuating war. Tell that nigga he gon' pick a side. Hood ties from hood lines, now niggas doing dope lines. Don't run into the cops, that's a bitch, nigga, exercise. Don't run into the cops, that's the motto. I don't see it coming to an end like legato. Niggas get chipped like staccato, send a wave through the hood, now it sounding like Grabado. Why you eat bread with avocado? We be trying to dodge shells before it landing our tomato.
Bueno, chavales, voy a despedir el vídeo porque ya estamos bajando del Puig Sacalm. Unas tomitas guapas con el dron, ya veréis. Bueno, ya lo habréis visto. Hemos hecho 4,5 kilómetros de subida con 460 metros de desnivel en hora y 39. La altitud del pico son 1515 metros. Así que nada, estamos ready. Un saludo y dale a like.